Welcome to Auto Minds Review. Today we're diving into a true legend of automotive history, the Cisitalia 202 GT, a car that isn't just transportation but rolling art. Built in the late 1940s, this Italian masterpiece was designed by Pinin Farina and quickly earned a place in the Museum of Modern Art in New York as one of the most beautiful cars ever created. On the exterior, the Cisitalia 202 GT is pure elegance. Its flowing curves, seamless bodywork, and sculpted lines give it a timeless look that feels more like a sculpture than a machine. The proportions are compact yet graceful, with a low stance and a long hood that perfectly balance beauty and aerodynamics. Even today, enthusiasts admire its design as one of the most influential in automotive history. Step inside, and you're greeted with a minimalist but elegant interior. The dashboard is simple, featuring classic gauges and switches, all arranged with Italian style. The wooden steering wheel and leather seats give the cabin a warm, vintage character. It wasn't built for luxury in the modern sense, but the craftsmanship and charm remind you this was made in an era where design and art mattered more than gadgets. Performance-wise, the Cisitalia 202 GT used a small 1.1-liter four-cylinder engine, producing around 55 horsepower. That may sound modest today, but in the late 1940s it was enough to deliver spirited driving. With a lightweight body and advanced aerodynamics, it could reach speeds of about 100 miles per hour, which was impressive for its size and time. The focus was never on raw power, but on precision handling, balance, and the joy of driving. When it comes to price, the Cisitalia 202 GT is now a rare collector's gem. At auctions, these cars can command well over $500,000, sometimes reaching closer to $1 million depending on condition and history. It's not just a car, it's an investment and a piece of automotive art. The Cisitalia 202 GT remains a symbol of design perfection, a car that changed the way the world looked at automobiles. It wasn't about being the fastest or most powerful, but about beauty, craftsmanship, and vision. That's why it will forever be remembered as one of the greatest cars of all time. This was Auto Minds Review. If you enjoyed exploring this automotive icon, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more classic and modern car reviews.